Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will delve into the details of Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on the 14th of March, 2025, and are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 14th of March, 2025, our system has classified Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.22. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. We will keep a close watch on this assessment to see how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating further declines may be ahead. The trend over the past 3 months suggests a potential decrease of approximately 22% in the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 80% to an increase of 12%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our analysis over the next 12 months indicates a projected change of nearly 108%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decrease of 10% and an increase of 311% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price range between $10.11 and $46.17. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Significant Changes in Rigetti Computing Inc. Stock Price on Friday, moving 25.28% between high and low. The Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price rose by 28.23% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, increasing from $8.75 to $11.22. During this trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 25.28%, ranging from a low of $9.02 to a high of $11.30. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days, and it has risen by 32.62% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also surged on the last day alongside the price, marking a positive technical sign, with a total of 58 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 124 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.4 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $21.42, while the lowest price was 66 cents. Currently, the stock price stands at 47.62%, or $10.20, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing has been making headlines as it navigates the complexities of the quantum computing sector. Recently, the company's substantial partnership with Quanta, worth over $200 million, aims to enhance the commercialization of quantum technology. However, Rigetti's current financial landscape raises concerns. It reported a staggering $153 million net loss in the fourth quarter and experienced a 32% year-over-year decline in revenue. Despite these challenges, there have been recent rating upgrades signaling a speculative buy after a significant stock pullback. Investors are alerted to the need for patience as the company is heavily reliant on research and development spending, which has resulted in high burn rates and concerns over liquidity, even with $217 million in cash reserves. In the short term, the fluctuating stock price may reflect these operational hurdles and the overall economic climate, compounded by tariffs that could impact investor confidence. In the long term, Rigetti's efforts to scale its multi-chip architecture and establish itself against competitors like IBM and IonQ could offer substantial rewards. The key for investors will be to stay focused on the company's progress in achieving milestones that could validate its ambitious growth strategy, making it an intriguing, albeit risky, investment in the quantum space. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley also gave RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham gave RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing, Incorporated, currently presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which provides a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average sits above the short-term average. Should the stock experience downward corrections, support can be found at levels of $8.96 and $10.80. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly referred to as MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, indicating a favorable technical signal. It is important to note that some negative signals have also been issued and may impact the stock's near-term performance. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 2nd, 2025, leading to a decline of 43.9% thus far. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 49 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 102 days ago. The short-term moving average presents a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 24 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 102 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 95 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $10.94. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a notably wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.28 between its high and low, which is a change of 25.28%. In the past week, the stock averaged daily volatility of 16.25%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may signal inadequate profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of the year, 2025, is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 5 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $11.24. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing faces its first support level at $10.94. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Kathy L. McCarthy carried out an insider sale of 150,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Jeffrey A. Bertelson executed an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, David Rivas also made an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, David Rivas conducted an insider sale of 351,785 shares of common stock. On the 12th of December, 2024, Ray O. Johnson made an insider purchase of 98,373 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 3.772. In total, insiders acquired 8,248,145 shares and sold 4,954,290 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.56, representing a decline of 5.9%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 48 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we believe the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis of this stock since the last evaluation, moving from a strong sell to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 17th of March, we expect Rigetti Computing to open lower by approximately 70 cents and begin trading at $10.51. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.